Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact identifier, Tairitsu. Once done, gather the recovery email, any 2FA device, and the last login date. These prove ownership. Open the official recovery portal or support form now and enter the account name precisely. Provide the recovery email first, then attach a screenshot of last activity if available. Speak clearly in the form about recent actions. This speeds verification. Make sure to note any payment receipts or transaction ID as proof of continuity. Next, focus on verification. Submit 2FA codes or backup codes promptly and follow the portal prompts for device ID or IP logs. If 2FA is unavailable, upload proof, payment receipts, screenshots of past usage, device serials, or timestamps, organized in chronological order. Explain why each item proves ownership and reference dates clearly. Once uploaded, send a concise support message that ties the evidence together. This helps the reviewer understand the claim without asking for extra steps. Finish by accepting any account changes, setting a strong new password, and re-enabling 2FA immediately. Once you regain access, review recent settings and unlink unfamiliar devices. This prevents repeats. If the request is denied, don't panic. Request escalation and supply additional timestamps or device logs within 48 hours and cite the original case number. Make sure to keep copies of all correspondence and reference numbers. They speed any follow-up and create an audit trail that proves persistence and ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.